Hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life of an Etsy seller. So I'm just starting off here by filling out this press-on toe order. So if you didn't know, on my Etsy shop I sell custom press-on nails, and I am a gel nail technician in real life. So I do gel nails on clients and I take clients, but I also do have an Etsy shop on the side where I do custom press-on nails, and I absolutely love it. So I have been a little bit busy in January as well, which was quite unexpected. So thankfully the orders are coming through and I'm so grateful for all the orders. If any of you watching ever ordered from me, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So I'm just filling out this little package here. So this is press-on toes, and these are going all the way to Australia. So that's mad. And I'm just shining them up now before I pack them away in this little case. And then I'm going to pop my little thank you for supporting my small business sticker on the package. So next up, we have an order for an ombre set. And to start off this set, I'm going to go in with this polish from Born Pretty. So I already have these nails prepped and I already have the base coat done. And I'm going to go in with 2 layers of this gel. I love this gel here. It is absolutely stunning. It is just so pretty, and especially when the second coat goes on, you're going to see the color it turns into. It's so pretty. So this is perfect for ombre. So I'm going to go in with 2 layers of this, and of course I am curing in my UV LED lamp for 60 seconds in between each cure. This set is going to be in short coffin. I very rarely get orders in short coffin. Most of my orders are in 3XL square, XXL square, that type of vibe. They're usually a bit of a longer nail, so it is kind of nice to get short nails every once in a while. But I hope you're doing well, and I hope if this is your first video of mine watching since Christmas, I hope you had a lovely Christmas and New Year's. And yeah, I'll just let you watch this part and I'll be back in a second. So as you can see, I pulled out this pigment from Magpie Beauty, and this is called Baby, and I have been using this, I think, since I started doing nails. So I use this pigment to do my ombre. So this is just a white pigment powder, and I decant some of the powder into the lid of the tube. And this is how I pigment. This is how I ombre, sorry. I just think this is the easiest way. I stand by it. It's the easiest way. So what you do is you go in with a matte top coat. So I'm going to use this from Semilac. And you do a layer of matte on all of the nails, and then you pop it in the LED lamp to cure for 30 seconds only. That is the trick. You just cure for 30 seconds. And I'm doing a nice even layer as well. I don't want it to be streaky. You want every layer of polish you put on to be nice and even, not too thick, but definitely generous enough that it's not streaky. So this is my little ombre pigment brush, and this is the one I use all the time. You can see how white it is. This is just a makeup brush. It is an old makeup brush. Well, I never used it for makeup. It was never used on eyeshadow or anything, but I just started using it for nails, and it is perfect. So what I do is dab the brush into the pigment powder, and just very gently I am dabbing that on, and I'm creating the ombre effect from the tip of the nail upwards. So what you want to do is you want to pack the powder at the bottom of the nail or the tip of the nail, and then you just want to fade it up, kind of like you're doing eyeshadow. Basically is the best way to describe it, like you're doing eyeshadow. You're putting most of the product in the corner, but you're blending it in, and it's all about the blend. When you're going up the nail, it's all about the blend. So a little tip as well is when you do pop the nails to cure for 30 seconds and they come out, just leave them for maybe even 10 seconds before you start doing the pigment powder, because I found as I went on and I was doing the 5 nails here, it was easier the more I went on, and the pigment actually blended better. And I think it's because when they came out of the lamp, they were probably just still a bit too hot or a little bit too sticky or something. So I think just leave the nails sit for like 10 seconds and then go in with your powder. And I should have remembered this because I know this, but I forgot it this time, and I did find that the thumb was a little bit awkward. It just didn't blend as much as I wanted it to. But what I do is I go over them then again. So I blend in the 5, but then I go over them again. I'm going to let you watch this part and I will be back. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you're getting any tips, please comment down below how you ombre your nails and let me know what you think of this set so far. So once I have all the pigment powder applied and I'm happy with the ombre, I pop that in then for the remainder of the cure of that matte top coat. So I pop that in for another maybe 60 seconds to ensure that that's all cured in together. And then once that comes out, that's when we go in with our top coat. So again, a nice generous layer of top coat going to apply to all the nails. And once I cure that, then I also file the nails. So that's very important to get your shape, and it is something I didn't do at the very start of my press-on nail journey. I didn't go in and shape like this, but I wouldn't not do it now. It makes such a difference and your tips just look so nice and crispy, and they look nice, and you know, they look nice and full. They look nice and thick, not too thick, but they look thick enough, as opposed to the press-on nails that you'd buy in, you know, the pharmacy or somewhere like that. They just look so much better. You have to remember on this set in particular now, there's base coat, 2 colour coats, top coat, a matte top coat. There's about 5 layers of gel polish on this. So that is it after I have them shaped. They're so cute. And this is the picture of them in the packaging. I did add in 2 accent nails for my customer. So this is her free gift, just to add in 2 accent nails in case she wants to change it up and put a little bit of glitter on the ring finger. Next up, I had to tackle this area in my nail studio. This was driving me crazy. So this is my Born Pretty collection. And as you can see, I have a 3-tier rack here for my Born Pretty stuff. But it has expanded out onto the side and it's just kind of sitting there. So over the other side of my room, I have this, I think it's 6-tier. And I have kind of miscellaneous polishes on it. So I have the Gel Bottle Ink, I have some Madame Glam, and then I have some Semilac and the Manicure Company. But I'm kind of trying to figure out, could I put the gel bottle on the shelves and move the rest of the polishes over to the 3-tier rack and then give this to Born Pretty, because I don't necessarily buy from the gel bottle anymore or the Manicure Company really. So I don't know if I'm going to grow them that much. So I just pulled out that rack and I'm just going to clean it up now and stack all the Born Pretty stuff in this. And I'm really happy that I did this actually, because looking at them just sitting down on no rack was driving me crazy. Those are the Heyyy polishes actually. I really like those. They're 15ml bottles and they're HEMA free, and love the quality of them. I have quite a few of them now. And yeah, and then I have loads of cat eyes as well from Born Pretty. I do have a discount code for Born Pretty for 10% off, so I will leave that in the description box, along with any other discount codes that I have for any companies. So that one is all done, and there's something so satisfying about organising polishes like this. It just makes me motivated to work. So this is Bridesmaid Like You from Semilac. It is a gorgeous powdery pink. It is so pretty. And then these are the Korean gels from Madame Glam, and I do have my Madame Glam over the other side of my desk, but with the Korean gels, they're just a different shape bottle and stuff, so I keep them over here beside these other black bottles. And not that I don't really buy the Manicure Company or a Semilac, it's just I don't buy them or invest in them as much as I used to. But the colours that I have, I probably wouldn't discontinue either, so I probably would rebuy a lot of them, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just kind of organising all the bottles. I am so happy with how this turned out. This is an overview of my Born Pretty section, and they all fit in there with maybe room for one or two more. And I have my painting pots there at the bottom, and then the swatches right beside it. And then this is the other 3-tier shelf, and I think this looks so neat, so much neater than it looked before. And yeah, not much room to grow there, but what harm, we'll see what happens. So the gel bottle is up on the shelf there beside the Glitter Bell Team of Free Polishes, and I'm so happy with how this turned out. Thank you so much if you made it this far in the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in the next one.